Hi everybody and welcome. Today we'll be discussing about how to set up Shopify shipping confirmation emails. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Setting up shipping confirmation emails is pretty easy. Head over to your settings, then to notifications, and I'm sorry about that. Here you have notifications, and below you can see if you have customer notifications, and then you have order confirmation. So all you need to do is simply adjust this. Once you do that, your confirmation will be sent to your customer's email address. And yeah, that's about it. I hope this is the one that you're looking for. We have various other confirmation or notification settings here as well. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.